Morning, everybody. Beautiful Monday morning. Start the work week. Hope everybody is having a good morning. Ooh, my seatbelt, safety first. I just wanted to do this quick video to kind of get back to the roots of just passing along legal advice for all my fellow single fathers out there who are fighting in the courts. I don't mean for this to be like a ha-ha moment or anything like that, but just an update on my personal case. I ended up settling the case out of court. And in the process, I learned a little bit more interesting information that I wanted to pass along. And that is in regard to trial and trial evidence. So this is basically for everybody that's starting at the beginning of their case or is coming up to their first case conference. This is very important, okay? And also, if you haven't done this for your initial application or answer, okay, which is the very first paperwork. And if that's the case, then you can request an amendment, which you're probably going to have to get from the courts, but I'll get into that on another video. So, don't think like you can just bring all kinds of evidence to the trial, okay, and then go to trial and then start pulling documents out left, right, and center. That's not how trial goes in Canada. The only evidence that you will be able to use at trial is going to be anything that has been attached to your application, to your answer, to any of your case conference briefs, your case conference, your settlement conference, your trial management conference, or any motion affidavits. Okay, every time you file a motion, you have to do a Form 14 and a Form 14A general affidavit, okay, or anything that's in your affidavits for motions, okay? If you do not put any of your evidence in any of these aforementioned documents, you will not be able to call upon them at trial, because what then happens is just before the trial, you get served with the trial record, which is all the documents, and then you get to add whatever you have and what you want in there. So keep that in mind. You have to add all of your evidence as long as it has been part of a process or conference or a motion in any of that paperwork. That's the only evidence you can call. So pass that along. As long as it's not in your, if it's not in your documents, you can't use it at trial.